Firebase Database. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open your browser and search Firebase. Select Get Started, then select Cloud Storage and select Get Started again. Create project by clicking Create a Firebase project. Enter your project name and then click Continue. Wait until your project created. Now go to Build on the left bar and then select Real-Time Database. Click Create Database. Select your database location. For example, United States US Central 1. Then click Next. There's two security options, Locked Mode and Test Mode. Choose Locked Mode and then click Enable. After your database created, go to Rules, then change the false status to True in right variable. Then click Publish. Open Build again and choose Firestore Database. Click Create Database. Select your database location, for example, NOM 5 United States. Then click Next. Select Start in Production Mode, and then click Create. Now go to Rules section and change Read Variable to True, and then click Publish. Now go to Project Overview and click Web. In Register App, type your app nickname and click Register App. Now click Use a Script tag, and then copy the Firebase config syntax, and then paste it to your project.